Financial success is a crucial aspect of life that significantly impacts our overall well-being and future opportunities. Understanding what constitutes financial success and recognizing its indicators is essential for anyone looking to achieve stability and growth in their financial journey. Over the past 13 years, my experience in finance and banking has provided me with invaluable insights into the nuances of financial management and the various factors that contribute to achieving financial well-being. This extensive background has allowed me to observe firsthand the patterns and behaviors that lead to financial prosperity, as well as the pitfalls that can hinder progress. As we delve deeper into this topic, it's important to highlight 4 key factors that play a pivotal role in influencing financial success: effective budgeting, strategic investing, disciplined saving, and continuous education. Each of these elements not only contributes to a solid financial foundation, but also empowers individuals to make informed decisions that align with their long-term goals. By understanding and mastering these factors, one can navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence and clarity. In the following sections, we will explore these key components in detail, providing practical insights and strategies that can help anyone enhance their financial literacy and ultimately achieve their financial aspirations. Whether you are just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your existing strategies, grasping these concepts will be instrumental in paving the way toward lasting financial success. The status game is a societal construct where individuals compete for recognition, prestige, and social standing, often leading to a distorted perception of financial success. This game prioritizes external validation, encouraging people to measure their worth based on material possessions, social media presence, or the lifestyles of others. Unfortunately, this focus on status can have a negative impact on financial perception, driving individuals to make impulsive purchases or accumulate debt in an attempt to keep up with peers. In contrast, the wealth game offers a healthier alternative, emphasizing personal growth and financial independence rather than superficial comparisons. It encourages individuals to cultivate their skills, invest in their education, and build a solid financial foundation based on their unique goals and values. By shifting the focus from external validation to internal evaluation, individuals can develop a more authentic understanding of what financial success means to them. This approach fosters a mindset of abundance, where personal achievements and progress are celebrated, rather than being overshadowed by the perceived successes of others. Emphasizing internal evaluation allows individuals to set realistic financial goals that align with their values and aspirations, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and sustainable financial journey. By recognizing the distinction between the status game and the wealth game, individuals can make more informed choices that prioritize their long-term well-being over fleeting social approval. This shift in perspective not only enhances financial literacy, but also promotes a healthier relationship with money, paving the way for true financial empowerment and success. Average earnings play a significant role in shaping self-perception and financial satisfaction, influencing how individuals view their own financial status in relation to others. In the US, the average salary is approximately $53,000. These figures serve as benchmarks that many people use to gauge their own financial success. When individuals compare their earnings to these averages, or to the salaries of their peers, it can lead to feelings of inadequacy or dissatisfaction, particularly if they perceive themselves as falling short. This constant comparison can create a psychological burden, where individuals feel pressured to achieve higher earnings to maintain their self-esteem and social standing. Additionally, the concept of loss aversion plays a crucial role in financial happiness. Loss aversion refers to the tendency for individuals to prefer avoiding losses rather than acquiring equivalent gains. This means that the emotional pain of earning less than peers can overshadow the satisfaction derived from any financial gains. As a result, individuals may focus more on what they lack rather than appreciating their financial achievements, leading to a cycle of discontent. This mindset can hinder overall financial well-being, as it fosters a negative outlook on personal finances. To cultivate a healthier self-perception and enhance financial satisfaction, it is essential to shift the focus from external comparisons to personal growth and individual financial goals. By recognizing the impact of average earnings and the psychological effects of comparison, individuals can work towards a more positive and fulfilling relationship with their finances. Understanding one's relationship with money is a fundamental aspect of achieving financial health. This relationship shapes our attitudes, behaviors, and decisions regarding spending, saving, and investing. By gaining insight into how emotions and experiences influence financial choices, individuals can develop a healthier mindset that promotes responsible financial management. Recognizing patterns such as impulsive spending or fear of investing can empower individuals to make more informed decisions that align with their long-term goals. Another crucial element of financial health is the necessity of having an emergency fund. This safety net provides financial security in times of unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or job loss. Ideally, an emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, allowing individuals to navigate financial challenges without resorting to high-interest debt. Having this cushion not only alleviates stress, but also fosters a sense of control over one's financial situation. Lastly, managing debt effectively is vital for maintaining financial stability. High levels of debt can lead to financial strain and limit opportunities for growth. It is essential to prioritize paying off high-interest debts while also being strategic about taking on new debt. Creating a budget that allocates funds for debt repayment while also allowing for savings and investments can help individuals achieve a balanced financial life. By focusing on these 3 key fundamentals, understanding one's relationship with money, establishing an emergency fund, and managing debt effectively, individuals can build a solid foundation for financial health that supports their long-term aspirations and enhances overall well-being. Warren Buffett famously introduced the concept of an inner scorecard, which emphasizes the importance of measuring success based on personal values and goals rather than external benchmarks. This approach encourages individuals to reflect on their unique financial journeys and achievements, allowing them to define success in a way that resonates with their aspirations. By focusing on personal accomplishments, such as saving for a dream home, funding education, or achieving debt-free status, individuals can cultivate a sense of pride and fulfillment that is independent of societal expectations. This shift in perspective is crucial, as societal pressures often lead to unhealthy comparisons and the pursuit of status symbols that do not align with one's true values. Embracing an inner scorecard liberates individuals from the constraints of the status game, allowing them to prioritize what genuinely matters to them. The freedom that comes from avoiding these comparisons is transformative. It enables individuals to make financial decisions that reflect their personal goals rather than the fleeting trends of others. This newfound clarity fosters a sense of empowerment, as individuals can focus on building wealth and achieving financial stability on their own terms. Ultimately, by evaluating financial success individually, you can cultivate a more meaningful and satisfying financial journey, leading to greater overall happiness and well-being. Embracing this mindset not only enhances financial literacy, but also promotes a more fulfilling life aligned with personal values. In this video, we explored 4 fundamental principles of financial success that can significantly enhance your financial well-being. First, we discussed the importance of understanding your relationship with money, which shapes your financial decisions and behaviors. Next, we emphasized the necessity of having an emergency fund, providing a safety net that ensures financial security during unexpected challenges. The third point highlighted was the effective management of debt, which is crucial for maintaining financial stability and avoiding unnecessary stress. Lastly, we introduced the concept of evaluating financial success through an inner scorecard, as advocated by Warren Buffett, encouraging you to focus on personal achievements rather than societal expectations. It's essential to remember that personal evaluation is far more valuable than adhering to societal standards. By defining success on your own terms, you can cultivate a more fulfilling financial journey that aligns with your unique goals and values. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and analysis. Check out this next video.